Hi. So, continuing our No Blocks November series of microbit peripherals, today we're going to be talking about discrete LEDs. You know, the kind you can tell your closest secrets to, not like a lot of LEDs where you never know what they're up to. I'm just kidding. We're talking discrete, as in just individual LED components with nothing attached. Like this guy. This little clear LED is supposed to light up green. That'll be cool because the microbits LEDs are all red and I'm wanting a splash of color. I'm going to use CodeSpace and show the Python code to control the LED. But first, how do you hook this little guy up? You can pick any output pin you like. I'm using pin 0. As you can see, I'm also connecting the ground to one side of the LED. Check out our blog for more details on the connections. Let's take a look at the code. I have a little while loop here. Stepping into it, you can see the LED turn on when I do a write digital to high, making the pin go about 3 volts. Then delay 1 second and write digital low, bringing the pin back to 0 or ground level. Continuing on, we've got a flashing green light. Anyway, make sure you look at our blog post and try this yourself. Don't hesitate to add more LEDs and more colors. Happy coding!